In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Freelancer tools to create retainer packages. This is an essential skill for any freelancer who wants to turn their clients into long-term paying relationships. So, stick with me till the end because I'll show you a quick and easy way to set up those packages, and I'll even offer an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend. First, let's talk about why retainer packages are so important. If you're still billing hourly or per project, you're leaving money on the table. A retainer package helps you secure consistent monthly income, giving you peace of mind. But it's all about setting it up the right way, using the right tools. The first step is understanding the client's needs and figuring out how to structure your retainer package. This software we'll be using today makes it easy by offering templates and pre-built workflows for common freelance services. You can select from categories like content writing, social media management, or graphic design, and then modify the templates to fit what your client needs specifically. Once you've decided on the services you'll offer, you'll need to define the package duration. Most freelancers offer 3, 6, or 12-month packages, but you can adjust this based on your niche and the client's requirements. The software we'll be using today allows you to easily input these parameters so that it auto-generates the appropriate pricing and terms, helping you avoid any mistakes. Next, let's dive into pricing. The software lets you set your pricing structure based on either the hours you expect to work or the value you bring to the table. Many freelancers struggle with pricing their retainers correctly, and this tool ensures you're not undervaluing your time. It even has a calculator that helps you determine the exact monthly fee for your services based on your hourly rate and the number of hours you plan to work each week. It's all automated, which makes the process super easy. Once pricing is set, you'll want to add any specific deliverables to the package. With the software we're using, you can easily track and manage client expectations with checklists and task assignments built directly into the package. This makes it simple to stay on top of deadlines and deliverables. The final step is setting up invoicing and payment schedules. Retainers are all about predictability, so you'll want to set up automatic invoicing through this software. This tool integrates seamlessly with payment platforms, so your clients can pay on time every month without having to chase down payments. Plus, it automatically sends reminders for late payments, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're ready to take your freelancing to the next level, I highly recommend giving this software a try. The best part is, if you want to follow along and see how these features work firsthand, you can get an exclusive free trial using the link in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on that. So, what's the key takeaway here? Creating retainer packages is essential for consistent income as a freelancer, and with the right tools, it's much easier than you think. By using software that helps with everything from structuring packages to setting prices and managing payments, you'll save time, stay organized, and ultimately get paid what you're worth. To recap, start by defining your client's needs and adjusting a template to fit. Set your pricing based on your hourly rate or value and add your deliverables. Then automate your invoicing and payment process so everything is smooth. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect way to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.